Get a sonic sense of present-day Egypt in a current installation in Museo Novecento's courtyard. The installation, titled A Sonic Map of Alexandria, is part of the Alexandria Streets Project, an artistic initiative of sonic mapping that began in the streets of Alexandria in the autumn and winter of 2012, nearly 2 years after the revolution of 2011. Individual audio excerpts, lasting an average of about 10 minutes, investigate relationships between people and space in the Egyptian city and make up an archive of stories, voices, music, and sounds that all capture a historic moment of an Egypt in transition. You'll find samples of the traditions that still color the city, sounds of animated post-revolution squares, bookshops, cafes, and street booths that keep the memory of the old city alive, and more. Here's a small sampling.
كل الناس اللي طلعت تهتف ضد تعذيب الشرطة والبوليس كان بيقبض عليهم
اختيارنا فكانت كلمتهم اللي بيقولوها دايما احنا مش عاوزين امات دقنا الناس اللي بتدقون يعني مش عاوزينهم.
At the fish market, 5 o'clock in the morning.
في سوق السمك الساعة 5 الصبح.
Stop in at the Museo Novecento's courtyard to experience it until September 3rd.